In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020 crash on startup or random crashing. So first, you'll go to Steam, then find the game, right click on it. So I'll do this for this game, follow the same steps for Flight Simulator. So right click on the game, properties, install files, and then click on verify files. So just click on it and then wait for a few minutes for it to finish loading, and then you can close this down. Next, you'll go here, then type Visual C++ redistributable download, then download the latest version. So here you'll download the 64-bit and 86 and 32-bit, and then you'll install both of them. Just click install for both of them. So here, as you can see, I have already installed it, so that's why it's showing this. I'll click repair. So you will do the same thing for the 64-bit. Then make sure to restart your computer before you try to relaunch the game again. So what you can do next is just make sure for Task Manager, make sure there isn't any many applications running at the same time. So if you see multiple softwares running, just right click and then end task, and this should fix it.